Hi there, welcome back. I want us to look at this question. Question number 10 from the past exam paper, Eastern Cape, September 2019, paper 1. This is application of calculus. The question says, two numbers are such that their sum is 18. One of the numbers is multiplied by the square of the other. Calculate the numbers that make the product a maximum. So the first step here, since we do not know the numbers, we tentatively say the other number is x and the other number is y. And then from what we heard from the first statement, the sum of these two numbers, x and y, is equal to 18. And then from the second statement in the question, one of the numbers is multiplied by the square of the other, right? So here is multiplication, or we can say is product. The product x is multiplied by the square of y. It's up to you. You can choose x to be squared, or you can choose y to be squared. Is fine. It will work with both of them. And then for us to be able to get the two numbers which give a product, which is a maximum, we need to get rid of one of these two variables. Né? That's the reason why we are given this first statement. We are going to use it to eliminate the other value. So we can eliminate x, or we can eliminate y here. I want to eliminate x. So to eliminate x, I take y to the other side. So my x will be equal to 18 minus y. And then in this statement, where I have x, I replace it with 18. So I'm saying my product is equal to, my x is now 18 minus y bracket y squared. Now I'm left with only one variable, so I have my y here, the product of these two numbers. And then let me simplify here. My py is equal to 18 by this is 18 y squared minus this is y cubed, right? And it will be a maximum when the first derivative is equal to 0. So let's get the first derivative. This is equal to, multiply this by that, that's 36y, subtract 1 there, minus 3 times 1 is 3y, and we remove a 1 from the power. And so we are saying it's a maximum when this is equal to 0. So we are saying here 36y minus 3y squared is equal to 0. Then we solve for y here. Our common factor is 3, and then for the y's is y. So it's 3y. 3 into 36 is 1, 2. That's 12. We removed a y, so it's 12 minus, we removed a 3 and a y, so we're left with a single y. This is equal to 0. So either 3y is equal to 0 or 12 minus y is equal to 0. So when 3y is equal to 0, y will also be equal to 0. When this bracket is equal to 0, then it means your y would be equal to 12. Now we go to the first statement. This one, we want to find the value of x when y is equal to 0 and when y is equal to 12. So we are saying here, we take our 0, we put it in place of y. So for this one, x would be equal to 18. And then if we take 12, we put it in place of y, it will be 18 minus 12. So here x will be equal to 6. So the two pairs here is 18 as to 0 and 6s to 12. These are the two pairs, but we want the one that gives a product which is